how to get the Netflix app on your MacBook. So if I open the App Store and search for the Netflix, it's impossible to get Netflix app on the MacBook. So I'm going to show you how you can do it and use the Netflix app and add it, for example, to your dock. So simply open your Safari and open the netflix.com. Now in left upper corner area, click on File and down here search for Add to Dock option and click on it. Here simply rename it, so Netflix. This is the icon which you will see in your dock. If you click it, you can also change it. So I'm gonna keep it and click on Add and it will be added to your dock. So for example, I'm gonna close this. So if I click on Netflix icon, it will open you your Netflix in the browser. Make sure you are signed in and you can simply use and watch the Netflix with this feature. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.